Hello, fellow miners around the world. I am Liu, the person in charge of the Judun production workshop. Congratulations on swiping in Huaibai, specializing in mining processing, the source manufacturer of equipment and accessories. This is our shop. This is the 3661 linear vibrating screen, independently developed by our team. It is being assembled at this moment. It uses advanced linear vibration technology compared to the traditional feed point. It's more efficient with bursts, and it runs more stably. Judun has been focusing on mineral processing equipment for more than 20 years. Our equipment is exported to dozens of countries across the country. Overseas bosses are welcome to consult.